Hi chefs, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Welcome back to Closkitchen. If you are new here, welcome to my kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. In today's video, I'm going to share with you one of my favorite recipes, my crab pasta salad. Guys, stick around for the budget-friendly ingredients for this recipe. I have about a handful of green onions from my garden and also a medium-sized yellow onion. I have about 2 cups of pasta. You can use any pasta of your choice. I have some lemon pepper seasoning. I have 1 pack of imitation crab meat. If you would like to use the real crab meat, please feel free to do so, but this is a budget-friendly meal. And of course, you need a kick of that Old Bay seasoning with all those spices for this recipe. I have some garlic powder. If you're on a budget, Dollar Tree is your best friend. I have Caribbean roots, so you know I gotta have some Cajun seasoning for my heat. I have some onion powder. I have some seasoned salt. You can use any brand of seasoned salt. I have some homemade vegan mayo, and I'm going to leave a link in the description box for this recipe. I'm bringing to boil 3 cups of water on medium heat. Then I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt. I'm adding the pasta to the boiling water, and I'm going to give it a quick stir. I'm going to allow them to cook on medium heat until they are semi-soft but not mushy. While my pasta is cooking, I'm going to finely chop half of my onion. I'm doing the same with my green onions. So now let's move on to the crab meat. I'm going to finely chop the crab meat. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever made crab pasta salad. And also, have you ever used imitation crab meat and in what dish? I am through cutting up the crab meat, so I'm going to check on the pasta. There are 2 ways to check your pasta to see if it's done. You can either pinch it or use a knife to cut one of them. My pasta is ready. First, I'm going to drain the pasta, then I'm going to run some cold water over it. I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes to drain the excess water. Next, I'm placing the drained pasta into a bowl. So let's make some pasta salad. I'm adding the chopped crab meat to the drained pasta. I'm adding my chopped half an onion. And my chopped green onions. Let's move on to the dry seasonings. I'm covering the pasta with some of that Old Bay seasoning. I'm lightly sprinkling some garlic powder. I'm lightly sprinkling some seasoned salt. And now I'm going to mix all the ingredients together. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of my vegan mayo, and I'm going to spread it evenly throughout the pasta. I'm adding an additional 2 tablespoons of the vegan mayo because I don't want my pasta salad to be dry. After taste testing, it was missing something, so I added a little bit more of the Obe seasoning, as well as about 1/3 teaspoon of the garlic powder. Let's mix in some Cajun seasoning to spice it up a bit. You can add the Cajun seasoning to your taste. If you can't handle spicy foods, this will be optional for you, so you don't have to use it. I'm adding 2 additional tablespoons of vegan mayo for a total of 7 tablespoons. You can also use a mayo of your choice. As I mentioned before, the pasta salad has to be moist. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever used or made vegan mayo. This is totally optional, but I sprinkle just a little bit of lemon pepper seasoning. Once I'm done, I'm going to place it in the refrigerator before serving it. So guys, my crab pasta salad is ready to be served. This is a budget-friendly meal for less than 10 bucks. So guys, this is my very simple and easy crab pasta salad. As you can see, you can use any pasta to make this salad. I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.